London, a city of more than 2,000 years of history, home of one of the few remaining monarchs, with a population of 8 million, making it Europe's second largest city. A city of water, a city of people, a city of change, a city of arts, commerce, education, entertainment, fashion, finance, tourism, all contributing to its prominence. Today, London is becoming an important player in the mining and metal industry, welcoming Bechtel's Nimba Project. Situated in Africa, the multi-billion-dollar project represents one of the continent's most important mining and civil engineering plans, opening doors to a bright future in the industry for Africa, opening doors to a bright future for Bechtel.
Nimba is an iron ore project. It's located in a remote corner of Guinea, and Mount Nimba is a major source of very, very rich iron ore.
It involves mining up in the mountains, getting the ore from the mountain down via rail, down to a port, and then exporting from a port.
It's a really exciting opportunity for Bechtel Civil to be involved and really join forces with M&M and be able to bring some of the rail and port expertise that we've been deploying around the world to help support what are really becoming some of the globe's largest mega projects.
With Bechtel Civil's headquarters here in London, it provided us a great point to step off from and leverage the best from both businesses.
As Civil, we're going to be involved in the design and hopefully construction of the rail and port portions of the project. Right now we're focusing on the pre-feasibility study, looking for the optimum alignments, looking how we can save the customer money and really give, in conjunction with the oversight and the mine itself and under the direction of the M&M guys, really come up with what is the best total solution for a client.
Well, as I understand things, obviously it's World Heritage, so we need to minimize our footprint. The environmental challenges are significant.
When I first saw the picture of Mount Nimba, it really struck me at what a gorgeous place it is. And the kind of respect that Africa needs and the kind of respect that the biodiversity there needs is something that we bring to the party.
Also the local interaction with the local population. That's going to be significant. Also how we can synchronize with them without causing too much disharmony, let's say.
I'm just as interested in making sure that the local people have opportunities for the future, that an area which many of these communities will not have large amounts of money, the ability to be able to protect a lot of these sensitive sites is probably dependent on the mining going ahead. And it's that trade-off that anybody working in my field has always got to try to create.
Everything the Bechtel engages in, as well as our primary customers, BHP Billiton in this case and Newmont Mining, has to be done with the greatest of respect for the environment.
Our customer can be fully trusting that we will inspect and protect the environment.
It's my planet. It's my son's planet. I don't want to trash it.
I think with Nimba we have the opportunity of looking at a range of good practices from the industry that we think we can bring to bear on the project, making the customer aware of those and really amalgamating them in a final solution which ends up with a win-win for the customer as well as the local community as well.
I have a real desire and a belief that the increasing of infrastructure in Africa and the increasing of revenue generation really helps Africa move forward, reduce the poverty levels, and really make them a global economic player.
I see West Africa as very much an emerging market for Bechtel. Mining and metals will lead in that market with all of the minerals that exist there. And I see London as a great resource to build projects in West Africa, and I hope to be part of the team that builds this new organization here.